Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying where the pop-ups come from. Check recent installs and updates in Settings Right Arrow Apps and sort by install date. Once done, force stop suspect apps and revoke their notification or overlay permissions so pop-ups stop immediately. Make sure to install a trusted adware scanner now to scan for PUPs. This gives you a list of likely culprits and files. You'll move from detection to targeted removal in the next step. You now remove the offending app and clean leftovers. Uninstall suspicious apps, immediately clear app cache and data, then reboot to stop persistent processes. Next, run the adware scanner and follow its removal steps for residual files and disabled services. Make sure to revoke admin access for any app asking for device admin before uninstalling. Also inspect every browser. Remove unknown extensions, clear history, cookies, and site permissions. Because many pop-ups are delivered via you finish by restoring safe settings, reset app preferences, install pending system updates, enable Play Protect, and review notification permissions so only trusted apps can show alerts. If pop-ups persist after thorough cleaning, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If you need to troubleshoot first, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party app is the cause, then uninstall it from the normal mode. That approach resolves nearly all persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.